Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Myself, Sagar Hayes.
Myself, Vaishnavi Hapse.
Myself, Pratiksha More.
Myself, Jigar Sable. We are from E Division and our department is Information Technology. We are studying at Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. Our project is guided by Professor Rahul Bhole sir and our project is phone number location tracking using Python. Now let's see the working of our project. We had made it by using Python language in a VS Code. And here is the coding of it. We had also used different libraries to make the code easier. Now let's see how it works. As the user enters the phone number, the country or the region and the service provider of that number is shown as an output. Now let's try with the other country code. So as we enter the number, we get the country as a Washington DC. The major application of this program is we can track any phone number as different countries have different country codes, so it is easier to track phone number using Python. And it can also be used in a cyber department to track phone numbers. The core idea of project-based learning is that real-world problems capture student interest and provoke serious thinking as the students acquire and apply new knowledge in a problem-solving context. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.